What's going on? This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew, and tonight we're making some Mexican street corn. Of course, you have your corn, and if you want to go traditional on it, you're going to go with some squeezed lime, some mayo, sour cream, some Contijo cheese, and some adobo chilies, but tonight we're just going to use what we got laying around the house. We have some lime, also some Salad Supreme from McCormick, and of course, shredded Parmesan cheese. And as you peel the husk back and clean it all off, what we're going to do is we're going to tie it around the husk itself and basically just form a knot with 2 pieces of husk. That way you have a handle, it doesn't get all burnt up. Of course, I forgot to show it in the beginning part, like I always do. Just forget something. There's some Parquet squeezed butter. We're just going to wrap it up. Stick it on the oven for about 10 minutes. And we're definitely going to have the husk on the part of the grill that is not lit, because it could easily burn off. Keep that in mind. I'm going to go to your preheated grill. Then after 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and put it directly on the grill just to get some char marks. And it doesn't take long. Maybe another 5 minutes total for Of course, we have our lime. Just going to squeeze some on there. We have our Parmesan cheese. And then we want to go on top with our Taco Supreme from McCormick. And you could wrap these back up and put them on the grill for a couple additional minutes. I've done it that way before. Turns out good that way too. Oh, creepy face cam guy. Please like, share, and always, please subscribe. You guys take care. Thanks for watching.